So welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing on important topic that affects millions of people worldwide, dengue fever. So we will explore what dengue is, how it spreads, and most importantly, how to prevent it. So let's jump right in. So before we delve into prevention, let's understand what dengue fever is. So dengue fever is a mosquito-borne viral infection that is primarily transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes, particularly the Aedes aegypti species. These mosquitoes are often found in tropical and subtropical regions, but they can also be present in urban areas. Dengue is a significant public health concern with millions of cases reported each year. So, the dengue virus has four distinct serotypes, and infections with one serotype provides lifelong immunity to that specific serotype. However, subsequent infections with different serotypes increase the risk of developing severe forms of the disease. So, dengue fever presents a wide range of symptoms, including high fever, severe headaches, joint and muscle pain, rash, and fatigue. In some cases, it can lead to more severe complications such as dengue, hemorrhagic fever, and dengue shock syndrome, which can be life threatening. Now that we have a basic understanding of dengue, let's move on to the crucial topic of prevention. By taking preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of contracting dengue and protect ourselves and our communities. Now let's talk about mosquito breeding grounds. To effectively prevent dengue, it's crucial to eliminate mosquito breeding grounds. Here are the key areas to focus on. First, stagnant water is a prime breeding ground for mosquitoes. Aedes mosquitoes lay their egg in stagnant water, and within a week, those eggs can develop into biting adults. And by eliminating stagnant water, we can disrupt the breeding cycle. First, let's pay attention to our surroundings. Check for any object or areas that can collect water, such as flower pots, discarded tires, and containers. Empty or removed or cover them to prevent water accumulation. Let's focus on gutters and drains. There are often overlooked areas where water can accumulate. Regularly clean them to ensure proper water flow and reduce the risk of mosquito breeding. Outdoor containers such as buckets, barrels, and water storage containers can also collect rainwater and become breeding sites for mosquitoes. Make sure to cover or empty them when not in use. Remember, mosquitoes can also breed indoors. Vases with water, pet bowls, and even leaking pipes can provide ideal conditions for mosquito larvae. Check and change the water in vases regularly. Refresh pet bowls daily and repair any leaks to prevent indoor breeding. By addressing these common breeding sites, we can significantly reduce the mosquito population and minimize the risk of dengue transmission in our communities. So now let's talk about personal protection. Apart from eliminating breeding sites, personal protection plays a vital role in preventing dengue. Let's explore some effective measures. First and foremost, consider your clothing choices. When venturing outdoors, especially in areas with high mosquito population, wear long sleeves, long pants, and socks. This can help minimize exposed skin and reduce the chances of mosquito bites. Using mosquito repellents in other important preventive measures, look for insect repellents containing active ingredients such as DEET, which is N and N-diethyl metatolamide, or picaridine. Apply the repellent on exposed skin following the instructions provided. Additionally, protect your sleeping area by using window screens and bed nets. This creates a physical barrier between you and mosquitoes, providing an extra layer of defense, especially during sleep when we are less aware of mosquito bites. And timing is also crucial. Aedes mosquitoes, the primary carriers of dengue, are most active during early morning and late afternoon. If possible, avoid outdoor activities during these peak mosquito periods. If you must be outdoors, take extra precautions such as wearing protective clothing and applying mosquito repellent. Remember, personal protection measures are not only essential for individuals but also for the collective effort in preventing dengue. By protecting ourselves, we contribute to reducing the overall transmission of the virus in our communities. So, now let's talk about community involvement. Dengue prevention is a collective effort. Let's discuss how communities can work together to combat this disease. One of the most effective ways to prevent dengue is through community awareness campaigns. By educating ourselves and others about dengue prevention, we can spread valuable information and empower our community members to take proactive measures. Consider organizing or participating in local initiatives such as neighborhood cleanups. These activities help in identifying and eliminating potential mosquito breeding sites in public spaces, reducing the overall mosquito population. Collaboration with local health authorities is crucial. Report any suspected mosquito breeding areas or dengue cases promptly. By working together, we can ensure that appropriate actions are taken to control the spread of dengue in our communities. So, engage with local schools, community centers, and other organizations to promote dengue prevention, conduct workshops, distribute informational materials, and encourage participation in preventive measures. The more people are aware and involved, the stronger our defense against dengue becomes. Remember, every action counts. By coming together as a community, we can make a significant impact in reducing the prevalence of dengue and safeguarding the health and well-being of our neighbors and loved ones. So before we wrap up, there are few additional tips to reinforce your dengue prevention efforts. First, consider avoiding outdoor activities in area with high mosquito populations, especially during peak mosquito activity times. This reduces the chances of mosquito bites and potential exposure to dengue virus. If you live in an area with a high risk of dengue, it's recommended to use air conditioning or keep windows and doors closed, particularly during peak mosquito periods. This helps to create a protective barrier against mosquitoes entering your living spaces. If you experience symptoms such as high fever, severe headaches, joint and muscle pain, rash, or fatigue, seek medical attention promptly. Early diagnosis and appropriate medical care can make a significant difference in managing dengue. Lastly, stay informed and follow the guidance provided by local health authorities. Stay updated on dengue prevention strategies and outbreaks or advisories in your area, and recommend vaccinations if available. In conclusion, preventing dengue requires a multifaceted approach involving personal and community efforts. By eliminating mosquito breeding sites, practicing personal protection measures, engaging in community initiatives, and staying informed, we can significantly reduce the risk of dengue transmission and protect our communities. So, thank you for watching this video on dengue prevention. Remember, prevention starts with each one of us. Let's work together to keep ourselves and our communities safe, stay informed, stay proactive, and stay protected.